I don't know if this is going to be the first video that you see, the second, but welcome to my channel, okay? Just for vibes. Today, myself and Annalisa are having like a content day. Like, we feel like there's a lot of outfits that we've been wearing and we haven't had chances to like take pictures. And please excuse my lace, guys, it's actually so embarrassing. So yeah, today was just like, hey, let's take content, pictures, and enjoy ourselves. So yeah, enjoy the day with me, guys. Second location, let's go. This is my second outfit. I've worn this outfit out before, so I'm taking snaps in it. My lace is so embarrassing. Like I've worn it like this before.
Yeah,
on my
it actually pumps it up.
Really? But then
I was
again,
saying like this is the shortest.
oh, you were saying like that. Oh, as I've never like separated it.
It's a present. It's another handle. Ian's bay shoulder.
Oh,
Like more susa.
this enkulu.
Yeah, but
Yeah. So what do you think? Should I wear it like this or like?
trying to see.
Maybe wear it like this. As much as it's street.
Yeah.
Hey guys, today is Monday. The last time I vlogged was on the day that Annalisa and I went to go take content. So yeah, that was about, I think, Wednesday or Tuesday. I completely forgot to vlog for the rest of the week. Tanisa had her birthday and schoolwork was just a lot, so I completely forgot to vlog. But today's Monday, it's a new week, it's a busy week, so I knew you guys would want to tag along with me on my busy week. So today is Monday, I've already said that. The time now is, I think it's like 5 to 5. I've just been in my room all day cleaning. I did washing because I haven't done washing in like over a week. Changed my sheets, you know, self-care. And I just wanted to start my week off on that note because that's just where I want to be at right now. I haven't been good emotionally, like I'm going through something really like fucked up. And this week I just want to like focus on me. This week is about me. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot of my errands, a lot of like solo a lot of solo time, and yeah, so right now I'm going to undo my cornrows and wash my hair, and then I might go to dinner with my dad. I don't know if he was serious about that, but if I don't, then I'm just gonna come back and order some food and then do some schoolwork. But yeah, so that's just the plan for right now. I hope you guys continue watching and enjoy. Bye. So as you guys just saw, I finished doing my hair and I just came to Woolworths to do some shopping. You know, I bought myself some flowers and then my bowls for the week because I'm not cooking until I get back home. I'm literally not cooking at Rez. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting for the car to come pick me up, and then I'm gonna go back to my place. I'm gonna have dinner and then rest.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Who you suckers think you're tripping with? Yes, I'm the boss. 745, white on white, that's Rick Ross. I cut them wide, I cut them long, I cut them fat. I keep them coming back, we keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution, I'm like Atlantic. I got them pretty things flying across the Atlantic. I know Pablo Noriega, the real Noriega. He owe me 100 favors. I ain't petty player, we buy the whole thing. See, most of my homies hustle, they still do they thing. My roof back, my money ride. I'm on the pedal, show you what I'm running like. When they snatch black.
Hey guys, so this is my first time talking to you today. I look rusty AF because my hair looks mixed up and I could not undo it in the morning because I was late for the gym. My phone switched off while I was sleeping, so I didn't hear my alarm. I woke up at like 11:15 and my gym appointment was at 9. But luckily my trainer, he's a sweetheart, so he said no, I can still come, so I got here at around like 12 and I just had my session now. What I'm gonna do now is shower. I might grab like a smoothie or something light to eat because I'm feeling quite hungry, and then I'm gonna go to DJ school. So yeah, enjoy the day with me guys.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no.
I have fun, Sazam. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
Hibiscus tea for the girlies. Niyazi ke nani. Oh, December, usondele, so we need to keep it. Do you hear that? That's the sound of something that tastes really good. Right? Imove again, my egg, past 8:15 or 7, man. Akuvaliwe itolo la ePavilion. Everywhere is literally closed. But get ring. I'm gonna have my tea while I wait it out, and then I'll see from there. Mr. Price actually closes at 8, so I was just like, yo, let me just spend my 45 minutes here and did some shopping, and I'm about to try on a few clothes, and most of the clothes that I've got here have that red tag, so I'm getting them for a bargain. So I just bought my ticket and now I'm going to get KFC. The chokehold KFC has over me lately is insane, and it's not even like I'm eating anything fancy. I have a street rice too with a drumstick and a thigh, and that's it, and my life will be perfect. I shouldn't have gotten any ngangak. I did not text my trainer to tell him that I'm coming in the morning instead of the afternoon. And I was like, you'll probably be there. Yeah, figure training. So my day's just gonna be a bit of a mix mash. I'm gonna go to DJ school now. Then I'm gonna go for my doctor's appointments in Klang and then end my day off here at the gym. So it's still my day. Better stick with me. Spoken to you in like forever. So today's Friday and I decided to do a beach, well, my friends and I decided to do a beach day together. My morning was a bit busy. I had gym and I'm kind of feeling sick of late, so I need to ride, but enjoy my beach day with me, guys. I got my friends here. Say hi, guys. Say hi. What's up? Hey guys, so it actually started raining. It actually started raining. This is a pandemic. We're dripping wet. So beach day done. So we're at Milky Lane now because we're just craving ice cream. So I'm vlogging. Just congratulate myself as Lupini's friend, even though she's mad at me right now because she breaks everything. You see when you guys I'm vlogging. So at Milky Lane now, and we like really craving ice cream. So we're just like, hi guys, it's Tando Kuala here. The building, you know what to do. You know what to do. Yes. Everybody like, comment, and subscribe into Lupini's channel, cause here there's some good ass content. I'm telling you. That's why you're mad.
Yeah, this is 7 o'clock. Yeah. You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah. Because